So if you are watching this video, that probably means that you are about to start the process of learning how to make money online, or you've been struggling to make any money online. So in this video, I want to share something with you that I really think that will help you out in achieving your online financial goals. So as somebody who's been involved with the whole make money online for several years now, there's something that I've learned throughout these years that I really think can help you out, and actually helps me out to this very day and helping me achieve my online financial goals. And it's very simple, and you probably have heard this before, but maybe you need to hear this one more time. And it is mindset matters. All right. Now I know you done heard Black Lives Matter. You done heard Blue Lives Matter. You done heard White Lives Matter. But mindset matters, right? Mindset matters is so important, because every time you hear about a make money online opportunity, right? Whether it be drop shipping, whether it be being a YouTuber, whether it be affiliate marketing, network marketing, so on and so on, right? Every time you see it, you're probably seeing a sales presentation, right? Or an ad. So everything makes it look easy. It makes it look like, oh, start drop shipping, start earning 10K a month, or affiliate marketing, make this, blah, 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 right? So people get involved with it and then they fail, right? Because once they get involved, they realize like, oh shit, this is more work than I thought. I need more effort than, it's more than what I thought, right? And a lot of people get discouraged. They get discouraged because their mindset isn't where it need to be. They don't have the right mindset. Because let me tell you something, because newsflash, there are way more legit ways to make a full-time income, to make the 10 grand, 20 grand, 50 grand a month. There are way more of these opportunities than there are scams out there, because people are quick to try to make money online. Then when they don't make any money, they're just quick to be like, oh, it was a scam, right? They ain't do shit, but they quick to be like, oh, it was a scam. I ain't made no money. That's scam, right? No, the fact is, there's a good chance that the opportunity that you're pursuing can make you money. It's a very good chance that's the case, right? But you have to ask yourself, do you have the right mindset? And it doesn't really matter what it is. Affiliate marketing, your own products, drop shipping, it doesn't matter. Whenever you get involved with this and you go into it like, I want to make, 6 figures a year, right? I want to make 5 grand a month, whatever it is, you have to go in knowing that you're going to make it happen. Not wondering, right, if you can make this happen. You have to know, I'm going to make this drop shipping thing work. Just because, maybe you picked the wrong product or whatever, right? You might go through that. You're going to go through some down times, right? You're going to pick the wrong product, or maybe you're not going to sell anything in the first 3 months, whatever. But you have to go in knowing, I'm going to make drop shipping work. Maybe it's going to take me 5 to 10 products, right? That bombed, whatever. But I'm going to make drop shipping work. YouTube, right? That's what I do. YouTube, you're going to know you're going to make YouTube work. You're going to switch up the titles, switch up the thumbnails. You're going to try these types of videos, those types of videos. You're going to make it work, right? Same thing with affiliate marketing or whatever, right? You have to know. That's the problem with most people. They go into this and they're like half-assy. I think maybe this would be nice if I could make this work. That'll be awesome. That'll be cool. Maybe. Well, I don't know. Damn all that. You got to go into this knowing you're going to make it work, right? And the final thing, listen, you have to tell yourself and believe it. It's not a matter of if I'm going to make it work. It's when I'm going to make it work. It's not if I make 10 grand a month. It's when I make 10 grand a month. Just remember that mindset matters.